Huawei P10 and P10 Plus launched last year running EMUI 5.1 based on Android 7.1 Nougat, but they are now getting in on some sweet ARIA via a global OTA update. After some 2 months of beta testing, and shortly before the P20 models are unveiled, Huawei has decided to give the P10s some love. Well, if you don't count the P10 Lite, that is, which is still slated to receive the update at some point, although there's no word when. News about the coveted ARIA update broke on Huawei's official Facebook page, which unfortunately means no changelog was provided for the new version. However, having seen the ARIA-based EMUI 8.0 on the Mate 10 Pro, we'd expect very similar functionality on the P10 and P10 Plus, although some features that are tied to the new Kirin 970 socks, such as the AI stuff that Huawei is so proud of, may appear in an altered form, or even be omitted altogether. The rollout of EMUI 8.0 for the P10 and P10 Plus has already begun in the Philippines, XDA reports. As far as we can tell, this is supposed to be a global over-the-air update that will gradually roll out to other regions in the coming days. Source: Huawei via XDA.